dashing, as always. Mamaya na yung bayad. Mamaya na ako mamahalekta. But I wanted to ask, because I really love the way you styled this linen look. What's your favorite part about the outfit?
So let me stand up.
Okay.
So right here I'm wearing this beautiful premium linen shirt. Very nice linen jackets and suits and stuff. So it's very exciting. And my favorite item I'm using today, aside from all the linen, European linen. European linen, of course.
Okay.
Aside from the European linen is my shades.
Nax naman!
Ladies and gentlemen, these shades are Uniqlo. We have an amazing line of shades there in the back, so you're going to experience and see them very soon.
Yes, we're going to talk more about the shades in just a little bit, but I like how you mentioned that the fabric and the way that they're cut, it's very premium, as you said, but it's still also very relaxed. So there are so many ways in which you can wear the pieces, and I also like that it gives it a very elegant, effortless.
Definitely. I think that's the
feel.
goal with LifeWear, especially premium, sophisticated, but elegant all the time and easy to use instant. It's
Very classy.
Yes, understated. That's why I love the whole new 2026 line, the spring summer. It's amazing.
And we mentioned earlier, Jan, ano na siya, genderless, di ba? So Sarah, you can also wear another shirt. Di ba? Go into his closet. It's mine now.
I actually borrow.
Yes. Akin na to, di ba? Jan, can you tell us a little bit more about the fabrics that were used in this?
Okay, aside from it being Mateo's favorite, actually binulong niya ito din sa akin, favorite niya ang premium linen. And the why to it is because it's made na of 100% European flax. So the ingredients was really well thought through so that it provides the cooling that Solen was also mentioning, because really premium linen tends to be very intimidating, right? Because our tendency is as Filipinos, we think it's mainit, right? But the reality is if it's made with proper material, it's actually very comfortable. And then what Mateo was actually wearing from a pant standpoint is cotton linen. So that was again very intentional so that it actually gives naman a Mateo a very soft and relaxed feel while he's walking.
That's right. And as I mentioned earlier, the versatility, right, with this Mateo, like what other ways, or when would you wear this linen line? Like maybe a meeting? Or...
Yeah, I mean, Solen was saying, ready for the Amalfi Coast. I can say I'm ready for Palawan right now in Boracay.
Punta Fuego.
Or Fuego. So it's really nice. It can be very easy. But tonight, for example, we're gonna go watch a play, a musical. We have to dress up a little bit. I'll still keep the linen stuff. I just put a jacket on top or a nice jacket on to make it more elegant for the evening, or change up the colors a little darker. So it's very, very versatile. You can go from casual to a little more serious to very elegant.
Yeah, and you can even go to date night together, right?
Yes.
Have your cute linen looks
Yes.
together. Actually, I like that idea for all of the gents in the audience. It gives them some styling ideas and how they could, change it up. Para it's not just like, ganyan, nakapatong sa t-shirt, you can wear it buttoned up for a night out, ganyan.
Yeah, I think Nicole also, we're used to wearing cotton all the time, right?
Yes.
So we were actually discussing why aren't Filipinos really into linen? I think it's time. 2026, it's time for us to get into linen
Perfect.
because, yes, baby,
Yes, happy.
it's perfect for our weather. It's fresh, it's breezy, and it's cool.
It's made for us.
Yes.
And speaking of made
It's kind of cool. Just I forgot to mention kanina. Our linen is actually gets softer as you wash.
oh wow.
And actually, we have a fun fact because linen, or premium linen exactly, actually ages with you. So, sakto yung pwede kayong magpalitan,
Yes.
but then after that, it even feels softer. So, the material gets better.
Ooh,
as
I
you
love
use it.
that. Gets better with time.